I'll only sing if you promise that you'll do a cover version of one of our songs.
I'll do that.
Which
Promise.
I'll promise. On record.
Huh?
On camera.
On record.
On camera, yeah.
हाँ? देखो नाचना वाचना मुझे आता नहीं, दारू को भी मैं हाथ लगाता नहीं, लेकिन जो कभी दो पैग पी लूं मेरे जैसा कोई डांस कर पाता नहीं। अखियां ने देखे मेरे तेरे ही ता ड्रीम नी, तेनू मैं पटाऊं लई लांदा फेरा स्कीम नी, तू ही लगे सोनी तेनू मारी जावा लाइन में, तू जो पूछे हाल मेरा होई जावा फाइन में। हाय मैं हूँ आतिया शेट्टी और इलियाना डिक्रूज और ये है
अर्जुन कपूर
और ये है
अनिल कपूर।
और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा। कीप ऑन वॉचिंग।
Okay, you know, there have been a lot of requests that please end this interview with a song with all three of them singing it together.
Yeah,
that is something, yeah. That is a lot of people they have requested.
Arjun is very good at rapping.
We'll be the background dancer.
I'll be the back. I'll give you the rhythm.
But you know he sings
Rhythm.
really well.
Yeah,
Then why don't you
Why
sing?
don't
No,
only
Okay,
sings-
you sing, he
You know, he
does.
only sings for the people that he loves. So now this is a test.
Right, so I see that you
And his
don't know.
daughter makes him sing all the time, and that's how candid he gets is when he's at home and he sings. I'll only sing if you promise that you'll do a cover version of one of our songs.
I'll do that.
Which
Promise.
I'll promise. On record.
Huh?
On camera.
On record.
On camera, yeah.
Huh?
हाँ, पक्का.
I want you to do a cover of one of the songs.
Sure, I'll do that.
एक
अभी
बहुत
फिलहाल
अच्छा रोमांटिक गाना जो पापा ने गाया
आने वाला है, okay? So फिलहाल अभी आप लोग अगर if you can
यार
end
गाना तो नहीं
this.
गा सकता, मैं रैप कर सकता हूँ।
I'll be
Because,
And he's already there. You see him? You see him?
Okay.
His thing?
because वो थोड़ा आसान है।
Yeah.
Right.
तो हवा हवा में एक रैप है पूरा जो सेक्शन आता है।
Mubarak.
Right.
Mubarak.
You want to do
मुबारक,
मुबारक का ओके बादशाह का भी
बादशाह वाला, हाँ,
मैं
that's-
दोनों देता हूँ आपको।
बिल्कुल मेडली करते हैं.
Actually, the हवा
मेडली
वाला
करते हैं.
देखो नाचना वाचना मुझे आता नहीं, दारू को भी मैं हाथ लगाता नहीं, लेकिन जो कभी दो पैग पी लूं मेरे जैसा कोई डांस कर पाता नहीं। मैं हूँ बादशाह वन क्वीन बेबी, तेरा नखरा बड़ा मीन बेबी। Do you understand what I mean? तेरी औसम कर दूं रात सोनिए।
Fantastic.
And you have to get hava hava as well.
हवा हवा
But you have to join as well.
I
Ileana, you
can't
sing so
rap.
well.
I can't rap.
लेकिन मैं कब से
Go for it.
Please.
अखियां ने देखे मेरे तेरे ही ता ड्रीम नी, तेनू मैं पटाऊं लई लांदा फेरा स्कीम नी, तू ही लगे सोनी तेनू मारी जावा लाइन में, तू जो पूछे हाल मेरा होई जावा फाइन में। One more time. इश्क गुड़ नालो मिठा कर ले तू टेस्ट नी, सिंगल सिंगल तेरी जवानी होई जांदी वेस्ट नी, मैं हाँ तेरा रांझा बेबी क्यों नहीं कर दी अंडरस्टैंड, तू जे मैनू यस करता लेके आवा वेडिंग बैंड।
Fantastic. I think that's a wonderfully musical way to just end this interview. And thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much for your vivaciousness. And I'm sure that people will be looking forward to watching this excitement on the big screen. And as Anulji has said at the promo launch that hopefully it will be Arjun Kapoor's biggest hit as far as
Should be all our
is
Our
concerned.
biggest hit.
All of you, and obviously, I'm looking forward to seeing much more of you, as he has rightly said, on Hindi film screen as well, because we see very few of you.
My door's open for all the scripts, please.
कल भिजवाता हूँ।
Right, and Atiya Shetty as well. Thank you for your time, and I'm sure that a lot of your fans will discover a new side to you today. Yeah, I'm sure.
She's the quintessential Bollywood heroine, which no one knows.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Anna's action abilities, you saw that?
Yeah.
That's worth
Yeah, that's a moment.
slow motion.
वो उसका GIF
yeah.
बना के डालना चाहिए आपको।
That's
That's the teaser for this interview.
that is worth actually. That's a very good idea. Thank you very much for that. So thank you and all the best, Vijay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on
Keep
watching.
on watching.